Put an ox eye in a Petri dish. Cut away the eyelid, the eye muscles, and the fatty tissues around the eyeball. Cut through the sclera. The eye is cut into 2 halves. Put the lens and the vitreous humor into another Petri dish. Examine the front half of the eye. Identify the cornea, iris, and pupil. Examine the lens. What is the color of the lens? Put the lens on a piece of newspaper. Look at some words through the lens. Do the words change in size? Press the lens gently to make it thinner. Look at some words through the lens again. How is the size of the words different from those you just observed? Examine the back half of the eye. The inner surface of the eyeball is the retina. Look at the point on the retina where the optic nerve leaves the eye. It is the blind spot.